So this video is a special video for all those students who are in 11th or maybe 12th, or those students who have decided to appear for NEET exam. Okay, NEET exam. So let me tell you what is NEET exam and everything first. So NEET is an exam which is conducted for admissions into MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS and other medical courses. Okay? Mostly the students' focus is MBBS, which includes surgery, okay, surgery and operation, which is an actual doctor who works in an hospital. You have BDS, which has dental surgery, okay, and BAMS Ayurveda, BHMS homeopathic, and physiotherapy also. Some physiotherapy in some states, physiotherapy admission is done via board marks also. Some states do it via CET, so it depends. Now, what I want to tell you is regarding the motivation of NEET. Okay, you must have seen many motivational videos, and this is more of a guidance video rather than a motivational video. So, what I would see, so to motivate, what I would like to say is, first of all, never ever think that you are less. Okay, don't compare yourself with anyone else, and most importantly, do not change your studying pattern. Okay, because mostly what happens, what we do is we see our friend is solving USS, is solving DC Pandey, is solving HC Verma, and I am just solving some PYQs, or I am solving PYQ is past year questions, and I am just solving the classes notes, something. So don't think that, because you know what, solving books doesn't mean that you are studying hard. Or you might see your friend is studying 10 hours per day, you are studying only 2 hours, but maybe your 2 hours ka hard work is giving more output than her 10 hours ka study. So do not compare. And if there is someone who is focusing more on boards and not focusing on NEET, and you might be focusing more on NEET, you must be focusing more on boards, or you must be focusing more on NEET. It's different. Every student's priorities are different. And if that the person says that you go subject wise, just finish chemistry first and then start studying biology, and that will help you score better. See, it might help that person score better, but it is not necessary that it is going to help you score better. You should know what you need to do. You should find out where you are weak. If you are weak in applying concepts, then you should always focus on solving more and more problems. Okay, and if you are very bad at understanding a concept, then please put all your efforts in understanding the concept, because according to me, understanding the concept is the most primary goal. If you understand the concept, you can solve any damn question. And you try this first. Try understanding the concept and solve questions. If you are not, see, if you are in 11th, you have a lot of time with you, okay, a lot of time. So try all this. But if you are in, I think by the end of 12th standard, by the end of board exams, you should be sure of what are your weaknesses and what are your strength. So if you are thinking that I am good at applying, so focus your focus on understanding the concept. Okay, you can do that via YouTube, via reading books and all. And you know what happens in 11th standard, you have, and you are going to apply for NEET, you decide that you're going to do NEET, so you have all these, you even I used to do this. I used to watch interviews of toppers, okay, and even your classes people will tell you to meet toppers. They will introduce their toppers to you, and most of these toppers will tell you that they solved DC Pandey, HC Verma, bade bade naam batayenge books ke, which you haven't even heard. In 11th, you might find all this very fascinating, but let me tell you, keep it simple. Don't go for higher books. First, learn the concept very well. Apply it on basic questions, because NEET is not going to give you a very high level question. Don't waste your time on all that. For biology, I would say, unless you finish reading your NCERT at least 20 to 25 times, do not go for any other book. For practice, you can solve past year questions and nothing else. So See, I'm not saying these toppers are lying, okay? But that help them score better doesn't mean that it will help you too. I think in 11th, what you need to focus is on uh, basic concepts, okay? Instead of going for DC Pandya and all, it will just demotivate you. This has happened with me when I used to solve higher level books. I got so demotivated. You know, even just few days before my NEET, I solved a paper of JEE mains, and I couldn't solve a sum. Means I could some of them, but I was really demotivated by my marks. I was like, ये कुछ नहीं आ रहा है and all that, and I was so demotivated. And the NEET paper turned out to be way easier than that. If I had not wasted my time in solving those high level questions and focused a little bit more on my basics, I would have been able to score better. So I don't want कि और बच्चों को ऐसा regrets हो. So I am right now telling you, don't waste your time on very high level books. Okay, focus on basics. I think if your application skills are good and a concept is clear, your classes notes will be enough to get you through NEET. Then what some students do is every classes, every coaching class or something colleges might have weekly tests or monthly tests for you. And what children do is they compete with each other and they ask sometimes कि क्या score आना चाहिए approximately एक weekly test में. First of all, and what toppers tell you, aim for 720 on 720, 680 से कम तो आना ही नहीं चाहिए. Don't think that way. Okay, don't think that way. ये सब strategic planning ना you have to do when there is 1 month or 15 days left for your NEET exam. Till then, your aim should be to know each and every chapter and to solve each and every chapter really well. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये चैप्टर ही नहीं आता. प्लस ये वीकली टेस्ट आर फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, सो योर मार्क्स डजेंट मैटर. डू नॉट लुक एट योर मार्क्स, जस्ट लुक एट योर वीकनेसेस. लाइक ये सब वीकली टेस्ट मंथली टेस्ट में क्या करना होता है ना, तुम्हें ये देखना रहता है कि एम आई losing much marks in negative, am I attempting less questions, am I attempting more questions. ये सब analysis करने के लिए होता है. Your marks don't matter. Okay, it literally doesn't matter. And also I would like to tell to those people who have given NEET and have scored less marks, let me tell you, this is not the end of the world. If you feel like you can put more hard work, you can put full dedication in the next year, repeat it. If you don't feel so, you can choose any other field. It's not like MBBS is the only thing which will help you become successful. Okay, and also other fields are also quite good. Because it also depends upon your luck. If you can excel in any field if you're good enough. Okay, so see, there will be a topper who has the MBBS का एक topper होता है, पर suppose pharmacy का भी एक बंदा topper होगा ना, and when there is a need for a job of a pharmacist, pharmacy के topper को मिलेगा. So it doesn't mean that pharmacy कम है is not good and MBBS is the only. So it's nothing like that. So I would like to say, if you're in 11th or something, do not waste your time in solving high level stuff. Go start with the basics. Do not aim for good marks. Aim to understand the concept and finish your syllabus. ठीक है, फिर जब नीट के लिए 15 डेज या फिर 1 मंथ बचा रहेगा ना, दैट टाइम यू थिंक कि विच चैप्टर्स आई शुड फोकस ऑन मोर टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स. दैट इज इट. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions to ask, you all can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much. I hope this was useful and motivational to you.